In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find best ideas for your ecom store using Facebook Ads Library, 5 minutes. By the end, you'll know exactly how to spot real, live ads your competitors are running and turn those insights into stronger creatives, hooks, and offers for your own store. Start by heading to facebook.com ads/library. This is Meta's public archive of ads across Facebook and Instagram. It's free, searchable, and incredibly useful for research because you're looking at what brands are actually spending money to promote right now. Once you're in, look for the country selector and switch it to all. Starting broad gives you a global view of what's working, which can spark ideas you might miss if you only check one region. You can always narrow later if your store targets a specific market, but beginning with a wide lens helps you spot bigger patterns. Next, make sure you're viewing all ads. This ensures you're seeing commercial campaigns rather than issue or political categories. For e-commerce inspiration, all ads is the most relevant option because it includes the kinds of product promos, offers, and creatives you want to learn from. Now use the search bar to type your competitor's brand name. If you sell pet accessories, for example, search a well-known brand in that niche. You can also try product names or common variations of the brand if you're not seeing much. The goal is to surface active and recent ads from businesses similar to yours so you can analyze their angles and creative choices. On the results page, click on ads so you're focused on the actual ad units. You'll see thumbnails, headlines, and snippets of copy. This is where you can start noticing trends quickly. Are they leading with discounts, problem solution hooks, or social proof? Are they using video, carousels, or short punchy images? When something catches your eye, click See Ad Details. This opens the full view with ad copy, creative, calls to action, and often multiple versions of the same ad. Pay attention to the launch date and whether the ad has been running for a while. Longevity can be a signal that the creative and offer are performing. Note the opening hook, the value proposition, any urgency or guarantee, and the visual elements that make it thumb-stopping. If there's a link, glance at the landing page to see how the message carries through. Repeat this process for a few competitors and jot down recurring themes. Don't copy, adapt. Combine a strong hook you've seen with your unique positioning, upgrade the visual, or refine the offer to fit your margins and audience. With this simple workflow, you can generate high quality ad ideas fast and build a creative testing roadmap for your store.